Hi, Asana.
Because I want him to see this and that, because it's going to be the first time that he sees these framed. Sort of, you know, like I want to witness that, you know.
How you doing, Alex?
Good. How are you, Tom?
So, because there's something I want you to see first.
Okay.
And I want you to see Hasbro first. Okay?
I'm ready.
So I want you to like kind of divert your eyes a little bit, as much as you can.
All
So you can go see Hasbro.
right. Okay. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was great.
Wow. It's a group number. Yeah, nice and
Really great. Isn't that one great?
Rosetta Stone.
Yes, exactly. Jennifer with that. Wow. Yeah. Oh, let me just say that one more time. Wow. Oh, it looks fantastic.
We did.
Yeah, yeah. Really, really beautiful. Woohoo! Oh, look at you. You got. Oh man. What are you going to do for it?
Well, we wouldn't have anything.
And as you know, and I know you do too, a lot of what I'm looking at is the space between. But I love the concept. Yeah, it's great. Yeah. And if one piece came, then this could come down a little bit, because this. Yeah.
It just,
Well, it makes sense to me
just-
if the builder bottoms are wood, then this puts this into context.
And this is like a separate entity.
Yeah, no, that I get. Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, it is. Here.
Yeah.
And then it has its own space.
I would agree.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, because otherwise this is just endless.
Yeah.
This should be more central.
Yeah, and it gives you a nice blank wall behind this.
Yeah.
More to the left here, the table, like so. The light is coming from there, shadow's gonna cast that.
So like just
Look at that shadow. I mean,
no, it's gonna be great. So do you want to see about the top going on the top of that tape or the bottom like getting the tape because now it's first?
I would say
Unless you like it where it is, then we'll
I
know.
like it where it is.
Okay.
I mean, great. Nice. I'm trying to stick with protocol here, so is it okay if I handle my own piece?
And this is the one from Montclair, right?
Yeah.
Right.
You know, I've got a weather vane on jalopy that's sticking out at the top, and it's actually three-dimensional like this, and I didn't realize that. At the same time.
changed.
Here we go again. I'm really happy to see this. 'Cause this represents like a kind of three-dimensionality that I have not been doing much. I mean, look at the difference between that and this. Doesn't this look nice?
Yeah, that just came today.
Wow.
That's different.
Yeah. Oh, that's really nice.
So, okay.
Yeah.
I've been saying it was like,
My gun.
I mean,
These
Yeah.
lectures.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you guys. Oh, and they're on these boards
Yeah.
is really nice. Alex has got like 100 feet of me saying, oh wow, this is fantastic. And that's what it is. Great. It's all right.
The plant. Oh gosh.
yeah.
It's really great.
Everyone's been working so hard.
I can see that.
You know, which is also why I wanted, it was a birthday for me to have Mariana, Katie,
Yeah.
Steve.
Yeah.
I really wanted them
Yeah.
to witness.
Yeah.
And I wanted it to be a little bit of a,
Good.
yeah.
Well, I'm
So like that you can, you know, like, you can, you know, like, the next time it'll be cool.
maybe.
Not too cool,
Yeah,
you know,
not
like
too
cool
cool.
enough.
Yeah.
Because you want to be.
You know me, I'm feeling it. This is really something. It's really, really good.
So you're gonna bring us some stuff